Yan guys.
Napawiring ka mukha. Yan ang baba.
Guys, na-rent tayo guys. May bago tayong recruit. Diyan, marot ko ba? Aman, ha?
Safety first, naka-helmet, ha?
Let's go. Ito ba yan?
Porta black.
Guys, nandito na tayo sa venue guys. Boss Arman. Yan. Nawa na. Guys, nakaready na yung Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Yan lang yung mic lang. So wala, DIY na lang tayo guys. Yan. Tas mo na dyan. Hey! Hey! Ayan ang ating host, biglaan. Guys, kain na tayo guys. Sandok na kasi.
Good evening everyone, welcome on our first dancing out to the day. You are proud seats climb and sing to me and all the messes I made. You are one of the few things burning memory. Innocence is all true. How can anyone be more to me than you?
Ayan guys, nandito pa rin tayo. Chill muna guys. Boss Arman. Boss Jan. Right guys. Okay ba?
Mommy SP. And by the way, we have a requested song na Sang from the Heart. And hindi po namin ito masyadong kinakanta. Marami may SP.
Guys, salamat po sa t-shirt guys.
Jaya Printer Shop.
Ayan. Jaya Printer Shop guys. Ayan guys. Boss Jan. Alright. Boss Arman. Alright guys, tapos na guys. Alright guys, tapos na tayo guys. Nandun na si Boss Mega.
Dalawang kulong-kulong ngayon ang galing natin.
Dalawang kolong.
Time check.
Time check guys. 12:17. Alright.